Welcome to the Weather Centre on Thursday, where we can expect cloudy weather and the possibility of rainfall over the southern and southeastern part of South Africa. That's due to a ridging high, which also results in a cooler day mainly for the Eastern Cape and parts of KwaZulu-Natal. We're forecasting hot weather and isolated thundershowers over the northeastern and eastern interior. Mostly sunny and dry we head further west, with quite a windy day over the interior. In fact, there's a high fire danger warning mainly over the interior part of the Northern Cape. You'll see up to a 60% chance of rainfall along parts of the eastern and western Cape coastline, with a chance of light rain as we head further inland. And then you'll see that band of isolated thundershowers extending from Botswana through parts of the northwest and Limpopo, Gauteng, Mpumalanga, the eastern Free State and the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal. You'll see a maximum temperature of around 30 degrees for Johannesburg and Polokwane, a sizzling hot day for Mahikeng and Vryburg, both in the mid-30s, 33 as we head towards Potchefstroom and Bombela. In the low 30s for Bloemfontein, Welkom and Vryheid, 25 at the cooler day for Pietermaritzburg, and you'll see a chilly Thursday in store over the interior part of the Eastern Cape, with highs mainly in the teens. 18 degrees for Port Elizabeth with a moderate south-southwesterly wind. You'll see strong winds for Port St John's and Durban. 27 for Richards Bay with a fresh south-southwester and a 2-metre southerly swell along the east coast. A chilly day for Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East, both in the upper teens, but mild as we head towards the Western Cape with most highs in the low 20s. Vredendal with a warm Thursday afternoon at 28. A strong southeasterly wind and a high of 20 degrees is forecast for Muizenberg. You'll see southeasterly winds all the way through to Plettenberg Bay at 19 degrees, with more of a southerly wind for Jeffreys Bay at 18 and a 2-metre southerly swell along the south coast. 33 as we head towards Uppington, Kimberley at 35, with highs in the upper 20s for Kilvinia and Carnarvon, as well as De Aar and Colesberg. 22 for Springbok, as well as Alexander Bay and Lambert's Bay, with the southwester for Lambert's Bay and a strong southeaster for Cape Town, and a high of 23 degrees, with a 2-metre southerly swell along the west coast. It'll be a hot Friday for Gauteng, with the possibility of thundershowers through to Limpopo and Mpumalanga, and you'll see that cloudy, wet and cooler weather settling in over the eastern part of the country, but with a sunny and warmer day expected in the west. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Thursday.